Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, important update from NAATI. NAATI has just announced this morning that they are going to start training exams in NAATI Telugu as well. A lot of students earlier from Telugu speaking background, they used to take the exam in Hindi, but it's a very good news and it's very exciting for us as well. We have already started working on it and we are going to make sure we smash Telugu as well. Now, few updates, few things which NAATI has recently announced. First of all, you can apply for NAATI CCL Telugu exam from 22nd of July. You cannot put in the applications right now. You can put in your applications from 22nd of July. Second thing, test spots will open on 30th July. And what I expect is our estimate that yes, exams will be held end of August or September. So you'll have ample amount of time to prepare for it. Second, this question which I'm getting from a lot of students that if I have selected Hindi right now, can I change my language? Yes, you can. In the past as well, few students have done it from Hindi to Punjabi or from Punjabi to Hindi. But there's no option on the website. I was going through the website. What you can do is you have to write an email to NAATI. The address is info@naati.com.au, I guess, but still, it's better you confirm on the website. So if you are a current Hindi student or any language you are going for, you can change your language and you need to write an email and they'll guide you further. Few other things, yes, you can select the test spot from 30th of July. And something very exciting, we have started working on the material. We have a trainer. She's very, very experienced. Obviously, there's no certified interpreter or translator for Telugu because NAATI has just introduced Telugu right now. But she's a writer. She has written a lot of articles and blogs and poems as well in Telugu, and she will be making sure that you get your desired score in the very first attempt. Another thing, for NAATI Telugu, what you need to do is we are going to start the classes end of this month. So if you are planning to take it, or if you think that yes, I should go for Telugu, what I'll recommend is at least attend an online trial class, see how the structure is, what all is there, and how difficult everything is, and then go with it. We are going to have similar vocabulary, similar structure, similar program as we used to have for other languages, so that we make sure you get your desired score. We promise you we are going to have the highest success rate as we have in other languages, Hindi, Punjabi, and all the other languages. If you have any doubts, leave them down in the comment section. NAATI Telugu, we are going to smash it. Make sure you contact us for a free trial class. Classes are going live 30th of July, somewhere around that, and all the classes will be online due to the current situation. So if you're sitting anywhere in the world, you can opt for NAATI Telugu and start your classes and preparation. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer all of them. Thanks, guys. I'll see you very soon.